Many people have asked me this question: what's the difference between F test, Z test, and T test? And to explain this concept better with a practical example, I have taken many examples directly from Minitab to illustrate the difference between F test, Z test, and T test. Before we further move on, let me just give briefing about F test, Z test, and T test. F test is meant for to find out the variances of two or more the variables. For example, the gas, let's say input and output, you wanted to find out the variance, how much is there, then you can use F test. And F test, you will find it in Excel also. You can go to data analysis, you can find that F test to sample for variances. In the Minitab, you will find something called the variances, two sample variances. You can find it. That is you will not find the direct word called F test, but you will find two sample variances. Similarly, Z test. Z test and T test are closely related. Why? Because both are meant for mean to find out the mean is significant or not. But Z test is meant when the standard deviation is known, we can use Z test. For example, let's say one particular machine or device or any apparatus is known to give some standard deviation, then you will accept that and then you will perform Z test as such. Similarly, the last one is the T test. T test is meant for to find whether the variance, whether the means are significantly differ or not, right? All these tests are coming from the hypothesis family. We are going to do lot many examples and using the sample which is given in Minitab.